Colfax Math here, preparing for the ASVAB military exam. Do these multiplication problems before I do them. Call them out to yourself, see if you get them right. 11 times 3, 33. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 12, 144. 11 times 11, 121. 12 times 6, 72. If you're getting those before I get them, before I call them out and you get them exactly right, this video might not be for you. However, if they're not coming to you really quick, under 3 seconds, stick with me and we'll work our way through this. So this video is all about you being as successful as possible on any standardized math exam, specifically the ASVAB, arithmetic reasoning, and math knowledge exams. Even if you understand the algebra and you don't have your multiplication facts dialed in really quick with instant recall, it's really hard to do well on any standardized math exam because so much your brain capacity is spent trying to solve the multiplication problem and not focusing on the problem itself. Been a ton of research done that shows that one of the highest likelihoods of success is how well you have your multiplication facts down. There's been a lot of studies on it, and it doesn't matter if you have it, if you don't have it, but going forward to be successful on the ASVAB, you have to have your multiplication table dialed in tight, and you need to be able to get every one of those facts recalled in under 3 seconds. So what I'm going to do in this video right here is I have 30 math problems, multiplication facts, and I'm going to give you about a 3-second pause, write it down before I do the answer. And if you don't get it in 3 seconds, that's okay. We'll just keep working on it until you do. Right here is your multiplication table. It is 1 to 12 vertically and 1 to 12 horizontally. So if you were to look at 8 times 4, it would be this 32 here, which is the same thing as 4 times 8, 32, or 4 times 8, 32. You need to have all of these numbers, math facts memorized. And if you don't have them down, that's okay. Just start working at it. Working at the ones you know, the 1s, the 2s, the 5s, the 10s. Go back and get the 3s and then the 6s. Just keep practicing. Repetition is how you really memorize things. So with that said, we got 30 multiplication problems coming up pretty quick here. Paper and pencil out. I'm going to pause about 3 seconds, write the answer down before I type it in, and then see how you do. All right, ready? Get set. I'm going to scroll down to them, and then we're going to get started with about a 3-second pause. All right, here we go. Number 1, 7 times 8, 56. 6 times 9, 54. 4 times 7, 28. 8 times 3, 24. 9 times 7, 63. 5 times 8, 40. 3 times 9, 27. 7 times 6, 42. 8 times 8, 64. 6 times 4, 24. 12 times 5, 60. 11 times 7, 77. 9 times 9, 81. 4 times 12, 48. 8 times 6, 48. 12 times 3, 36. 7 times 7, 49. 6 times 11, 66. 9 times 4, 36. 12 times 8, 96. 11 times 3, 33. 12 times 4, 48. 12 times 12, 144. 11 times 11, 121. 12 times 6, 72. 12 times 7, 84. 11 times 12, 132. 12 times 9, 108. 11 times 8, 88. 12 times 11, 132. I think I got them all right. So check your score right now. See how many you got right out of 30. You need to have written them down before I wrote them down or said them aloud. And that means you're at the sub 3 second time frame. I tried to do the best I could on timing. I might have been a little bit slow. And remember, if you don't have this down, that's okay. You just got to work at getting it figured out and get it sorted out so that you can move on and be successful on any math exam, specifically the ASVAB military placement exam or any standardized math exam. The first step is really your number facts, and that's a multiplication table. All right, well, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of videos, got a couple of books out, all systems designed to help you be as successful as possible on any standardized math exam. Thank you for watching.